Smart repair, so SMART itself stands for small to medium area repair technology. So it could be anything from this big to this long. Could be anything from full polish of a car, a small chip in your alloy wheel. The only thing that a smart repair wouldn't do would be bonnets and roofs, just for the pure fact of that bonnet and a roof is a flat surface, so there's always the risk of everything falling into the paint. But door panels, wing panels, alloy wheels, a smart repairer can do. Basically, the smart repairers make it look like a whole job has been done. So for example, if you've got a bumper corner that's been scuffed, they'll make it look like the whole bumper's been done when they've only done the corner. So they keep it to a small area of repair. So the benefits of a smart repair can be that the job can be done within 2 to 3 hours, whether that's going from bumper corner to a scuff on your door, scuff on your alloy. With a smart repair, you'll always have the same day turnaround. So no sending your car off to a body shop, getting a courtesy car, going back to the body shop, getting your car again. We can go to your house, we can go to your workplace. Some of us carry generators on the van, so we can even sit in the middle of the field and fix your alloy wheel. It can be anywhere that's suitable for you to have the repair done. Smart repairs is always going to be cheaper than a body shop. It's always going to be quicker than a body shop because of all the technology that we've got nowadays. It just makes life so much easier, so much quicker, and the customers are always happy with it.